Welcome everyone to another Monday Night at the Beat. It's the holiday week is beginning, I guess, or between New Year's and Christmas. And so happy holidays, everyone. And we're continuing on our month-long process of teaching at the Beat, and we're transitioning to another topic. So what was today's class about?
Alterations.
Alterations with what element from the previous weeks?
Colgada.
Colgada. And was it a big artistic use of Colgada or a smaller one?
A smaller one.
And what did we call it? Do you remember? The spice is when we add the Colgada, yes, but it was a functional use. And an alteration is what?
Change of direction.
Without an ocho, a change of direction, and it's a special change of direction. It's not just side to side, referencing the leader, referencing the earth. It's a change of direction.
Around the leader.
Yeah, capturing the moon. So the earth is changing the axis, and then you're changing the direction around the leader. Okay, let me show you with Cristina just so you see the pattern. So what step am I making to capture what step of the followers?
Back.
I'm making
Back step.
to Christina's.
Back step.
Okay, and we can add a little bit of hanging away from each other when we capture the moon.
So followers, in the beginning of the class, what were we practicing? Or what were we trying to refine?
Turning around the leader.
Turning around the leader. And what is the quality of that turn around the leader?
Delayed.
A little bit behind the leader. What else? Are we taking short steps? Long steps. Are they different from one another? We want them to be even. And then are they falling steps? No, they're what? Reaching steps. And why do we have to have this quality? In this particular class, why is it important that our leader...
The leader can stop us any place.
Yes, so that the leader can actually stop us at any point of our step and be able to do an alteration. Yeah?
For the leaders, from a theory standpoint, how many possible ways are there to capture?
18.
You jumped the gun a little bit, but how many different steps can we make as leaders to capture the moon?
3.
And how many steps of theirs can we capture?
3.
So how many are there on one side?
9.
9, and then total?
18.
18. And what's from a real practical standpoint, what is the thing we have to work through with everyone? The embrace, because the embrace is?
Asymmetrical.
Good, asymmetrical. Awesome. And this creates problems trying to create it on one side versus the other. We have to be a little flexible. We didn't get into real specifics, unfortunately. We actually ran out of time.
How big is this Colgada that we're doing in this class? Little. And then referencing Janet's question, what creates this Colgada?
The shifted weight with the cross behind.
Yeah.
And
So when the leader captures our backstep followers, because my leader is stepping so close to my backstep, as we're both transferring weight, all Homer has to do is tilt a little bit back with his spine. And already we're in a Colgada here. Yeah, so, and then he crosses behind, and then changes weight and changes the direction. So leaders, if you wait too long, for example, if you wait too long here, you arrive, and then you cross behind, it's too late. Because then you'll be compelled to use your arms to create that counterweight, and that's not functional anymore. Plus the fact that it's too late. So you really want to feel the timing as your follower's backstep is arriving. You need to get there at the same time, start sending them out, and then change their direction. Yeah? Yeah. So timing is everything. Okay.
Can we do a demo to alternative music?
Yeah, can you do all 18?
Yeah, so what we're going to do is a combination of alterations and then some Colgadas. We're going to kind of mix the two. So some, and we're also going to use the two rhythmic ideas for the alterations, which are what? For the follower's exit, after you capture her, when you change her direction, what two rhythms can she do?
All slow.
All slow.
Quick,
Right,
slow.
it depends on what in the music. Emotional content, how energetic it is, how gooey.
How much room we have?
How much room you have. Okay, and there are many properties of alterations. We just barely started to grace the cover of them. Okay, but what's one property? Does anyone remember? Besides the tango slingshot, it can be energetic. What's another property?
Slow and gushy.
That's part of the slingshot musicality.
It can help you.
Navigate.
Yes, it can help you navigate or be creative because you have an option. It's no longer just an ocho. You can either do an ocho or do an alteration. Good.
High